Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Puzzle 4. In this puzzle, you're gonna build a checkerboard with the help of the robot Carol. What you're gonna do here is to program this robot to help you to build a checkerboard that you're gonna see in the next slides. But before I start, I want to thank all of the girls who submitted their answer for the previous puzzle, and I want to say congratulations for the girls who have gained the bonus mark: جوهر الجري, Maram Hshem, Sar Al-Isa, Riman Azzouz, and Umayman Al-Mizi. Okay, let's see now about the checkerboard and Carol. This in the picture is going to be the final answer if you have the program that runs Carol, but you don't have it. So what you're gonna use is to use your imagination. Uh, as we're gonna see in the next slide, it just knows four moves. It knows how to uh, move to the next block or the next square, dot, whatever you want to call it. It knows how to put a beeper, which are these diamonds, and pick a beeper. It also knows how to turn left. It doesn't know how to turn right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna write a code that helps Carol to build this checkerboard regardless of its size. So here it is 7 times 7, and it might be 8 times 8, and you have to notice if it was an odd size, that size is odd, it's gonna differ from if it was even. So put this in mind while you're writing your code. So let's move now, and this puzzle is a nice practice for you, because as I said before, you don't have the program that is gonna run your code. So you're not just gonna put some code and then test it if goes wrong, and then you're gonna change as we always do in Visual Basic, and it takes a lot of time. First, you're gonna think about the steps, about the procedures that you want to put to organize your code, because as you see, it just knows few commands. So we're gonna instead of using these commands a lot, you may want to put them in some procedures to do a certain job, and instead of repeating them every time. So here you're gonna see the list of the moves that it knows. As I told you, move, turn left, put a beeper, and pick a beeper. It also knows some logic codes, like actually you're gonna use the for or while or if as you done before in Visual Basic. But the things that he can test is front is clear. If front is clear means that it didn't reach the wall at the end. As you see here, there is a wall in black. If it, like here, the return value for if front is clear is false, because Carol is facing the wall, so front is not clear. Sorry. Also, left is clear, like front is clear, left is blocked, right is clear, right is blocked, beeper present. That means that in the square that Carol is on, if there is a beeper, these diamonds, then it's gonna return true. No beeper is present. Facing north, facing east, facing south, facing west, and their opposites. You can use them in the if, while, for statements that we have taken before. And as and at the end, I want to remind you again to use procedures to make your code readable, because it's going to be full of turn left, turn left, turn left, and the result of these 3 turn left is turn around. So instead of like repeating this every time you want Carol to turn around, if you're gonna need it to turn around, you just make it as a procedure and use it every time you wanted to turn around instead of using 3 turn lefts, and so on with turn right, anything else. Like, I'm not gonna tell you more. I hope you enjoy your vacation, especially with solving this puzzle because it's really fun. You can stand on the squares, you can draw some squares in your backyard and try to imitate what Carol gonna do every time. Enjoy your time solving this puzzle.